Artus Air supports British Land's sustainable HQ ambition. Like, comment and subscribe to get all the latest from our videos. British Land is refurbishing its new head office at 20 Triton Street, London, focusing on creating a workspace with a significantly reduced carbon footprint. The developer has selected Artus Air heating and cooling solutions, AR75 and AR60 units, to be installed across the 40,000 square foot two-floor facility. A core objective of the project is to minimise both embodied carbon from construction materials and operational carbon from day-to-day energy use. The building is designed for long-term sustainability, featuring water-based cooling and full compatibility with low-carbon heat pump systems. The Artus Air system provides consistent temperature control and thermal comfort, specifically designed to boost productivity and collaboration in open plan and executive spaces. Due to their compact, fully packaged design, Artus units can be installed up to 75% faster than traditional systems, significantly reducing on-site labour and complexity. By using fully integrated units rather than multiple separate ceiling components, British Land simplified its supply chain and mitigated procurement risks. Success was driven by a close partnership between Artus Air and British Land's sustainability and design teams to balance aesthetic quality with environmental performance. The project demonstrates how high-quality, comfort-led design can coexist with rigorous environmental standards in the UK's commercial real estate sector. Antone Husbands, head of specification at Artus Air, said, "British Land is committed to delivering against its sustainability ambitions, and Artus Air's solutions are supporting those goals at 20 Triton Street." To learn more, read the full article in our ESG category. Read more at TWinFM.com.